Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Carlos from Powertrain. Today video, I want to show you guys how to install the CPC4 Quick Release Harness Slim version on your truck. Well, today this is going to be my truck. This is going to be our simulating the truck, the dash right here with a pre-made hole that I already made. So the first thing you're going to get is you're going to get both harnesses, and then you're going to make a pre-made hole. Usually Freightliner Cascadia trucks have pre-made ones or gauges that are not being used. You can take that one off and then use that hole for this plug right here. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to make the hole. You're going to grab the harness that's going to stay in your truck, which is this one. It's got the red cap. You're going to take the red cap off. You're going to put that aside. You might want to use that later. And you're going to take the nut off from this connector right here. Leave the washer in its place. Okay, so it's got two. It's got the nut and then the washer. Leave the washer there, and then it's got an arrow. You're gonna put that arrow at the top of the hole. So you're gonna feed this through the hole. Make sure the arrow's on top, and then you're gonna put the nut and secure the connector in its place, just like that. Sure it's tight, just like that. And then this side of the connectors plugs into the original connectors found in your truck. So all you gotta do is mate them. They are color coded, so you can't get them wrong. So once you plug those in, the truck side of the harness is already assembled. You don't gotta do anything else to the truck side. Just make sure you route them correctly. Next, what you want to do is plug in the other harness to your CPC4, just like this: white, gray, brown, and blue. You see? And then all you got to do is plug it in. Plug this connector that mates to this other connector. Make sure they both have arrows, so that way it makes it easy. So all you got to do is line them up, and then just give it a quick twist, just like this. And it's connected. What you can do with this is you can mount this on your dash, just like that, on the side. Other people, there's a, well, this is a box, but on the truck, there's a hook right here where people just either hang a book bag or some type of bag, and all they do is they leave the CPC4 in the bag, and then they just hang it. And when they gotta go, is all they gotta do is disconnect this by twisting this, and then you take your bag and you take it on the go. This avoids them stealing the CPC4 when you're not in your truck. When you come back in your truck, all you gotta do is grab the connector and plug it in. Oops. There's the arrow. Just like that. And that's how you install this CPC4 Quick Release Harness Slim version from Powertrain. Give us a call. We can make these harnesses for you, for your truck, for your fleet. If you want to sell this in your shop, give us a call. We can make universal ones, so that way your customers can walk in and pick one of these up and keep their CPC4 safe from theft. Remember, stay connected with the Powertrain. Catch you later.